Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in downtown Kingston, out by the Kingston Harbour, and we're going to give you an update on the Kingston 2 apartment complex. Now that is the 10-story building straight ahead on the left. As you can see, it's moving very quickly. Sometimes it's surprising to see some developments move so quickly in Jamaica, and some move so slow. You have to wonder why. But we'll talk about that in another video. This one is definitely moving quickly. It is at 10 floors and the roof is on the building, so this is as high as it's going to go. It's a residential development, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. The Kingston 2 K2 Apartments project stands as one of the most ambitious and transformative residential developments in East Kingston. Located in Bournemouth Gardens along the edge of Kingston Harbour, this 10-story high-rise marks a turning point for a part of the city often overlooked in Jamaica's modern real estate boom. Spearheaded by Sherborne Limited, a subsidiary of the Lake Group, the K2 project brings new energy, capital, and confidence to a historically underserved area. The K2 apartments will consist of 119 modern units, carefully designed to appeal to a range of buyers. These include 54 studio units, 28 one-bedroom apartments, 35 two-bedroom apartments, and 2 super units located on the 9th floor, boasting sweeping views of the harbour. With unit sizes ranging from approximately 304 to 1,201 square feet, and prices starting around 16.2 million Jamaican dollars for studios and up to 35 million for larger apartments, the development offers accessible housing options for middle to income buyers. The design of the complex reflects contemporary urban living with features such as a rooftop terrace, sky lounge, a dipping pool and outdoor kitchen, and a jogging track. Ground floor amenities include a modern lobby and resident lounge. The development will also be equipped with 150 parking spaces, backup power, gated entry, and its own wastewater management system. These facilities are designed not only to offer convenience and comfort, but to elevate the standard of living in a part of the city that has lacked high-end residential infrastructure. From a fiscal perspective, the project is valued at Jamaican 2.1 billion, roughly 17 million US, financed in part by urban renewal bonds and supported by development incentives from the Jamaican government. The project broke ground in December 2023 and is expected to be completed in 2025. Construction is being handled by BYD Construction, with Island Homes Limited serving as a marketing and sales arm. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.